In recent years, Anker has earned a respectable reputation for itself when it comes to offering excellent quality speakers and headphones at a relatively low price. Their products are popular amongst people who want to enjoy decent audio quality without hurting their wallet. Anker Soundcore Motion Plus came out in 2019, a device that's more about power than eye-catching good looks, and still arguably one of the best sounding speakers that you can get your hands on under $100. But is it really that good? We set out to review the Soundcore Motion Plus and get to know its pros and cons. Here's what we learned. First of all, unboxing. The speaker comes in a traditional Anker-themed box. Inside it, you will find the speaker itself, USB Type-C cable for charging, and an aux cable. Nice! Now let's get our hands on the Soundcore Motion Plus. Design-wise, the speaker looks compact and slim, which means it will not take much space on your desk. It also feels lightweight as it weighs at only 2.5 pounds. Take a closer look at the speaker and you will realize it's actually a stylish speaker for your party. Behind its black grille, you can see the inner workings of the speaker along with the Soundcore logo. It also has an interesting alignment to it, being tilted upwards at a 15-degree angle. According to Anker, this provides improved sound dispersion, but in terms of design, it means the speaker rests on your desk or entertainment unit neatly. Now let's get on to what's the most important, the sound quality. It utilizes two frequency tweeters, neodymium subwoofers, along with a passive radiator to deliver up to 30 watts of room-filling rich sound, which was surprising aside for its compact size and price point. Even at high volumes, music sounds crisp with no distortion. Let's hear about it. Its tilted design does an excellent job of delivering music across the room a bit more effectively. The speaker is also pretty good at generating a wide frequency range from 50 Hz to 40 kHz. This enables you to hear finer details in the music you listen to thanks to stronger mids and trebles. If you are a bass lover, then it's got Anker's bass up technology, which ensures that bass sounds deeper and richer at all times. Above all, you can fully customize music listening experience with the smartphone app. Let's talk about its features. On the side, you will find the power button, aux input, and USB-C socket for charging the speaker. Its USB-C connectivity is a useful extra that isn't commonly seen on Bluetooth speakers as you would expect just yet. Packed with a massive 6700 mAh battery, the Motion Plus offers reasonable playback time. Although Anker promises it will provide up to 12 hours of playback time, but the number may be lower if you tend to play your music at high volumes. We found at maximum volume, you'll actually get about 5 to 6 hours, but it's unlikely you'll be using it at full volume all the time. A more realistic figure is about 10 hours or so at 50% volume, which is not bad at all. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. And when it comes to waterproofing, this speaker has IPX7 rating, which gives you the ultimate confidence to use it in wet conditions. And as a result, it makes the perfect speaker to use it beside the poolside or keep in the shower. Anker also provides a Soundcore app, which is available in iOS and Android. In the app, the interface is nice and simple. Through this app, you can tweak the equalizer from its presets or manually adjust the volume easily. It's also possible to set sleep timers and turn the speaker off via the app, which is convenient if you happen to be across the room. The Anker Soundcore Motion Plus does a lot when compared to its compact size. It can play good music, survive a couple of splashes, and comes in an appealing design. So do we recommend it? Well, of course, especially if you are on the hunt for an inexpensive waterproof speaker, then the Anker Soundcore Motion Plus might be the one you are after. So with that being said, we are at the end of our video today. Comment below to let us know your thoughts and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.